Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Cardano, we are trading at 0.3149. 24-hour volume, we are down 6%, and market cap, we are down 0.05%. So heading over to our daily chart here, we essentially saw a descending triangle. So coming down to an area of support, resistance, support, resistance, and it only took roughly around our fourth or third attempt here of our support line to break it. Now, the breaking part of it didn't exceed over 5%. So the completion rate of this descending triangle was a fail. And now what we can see is we're coming up and then coming back down again. Now, one of the things that we do want to see when I switch it over to high Kanashi candle is to kind of see the overall trend. And switching from candles to high Kanashi is a little bit easier to see the overall trend progression as we go and possible areas of a reversal. Now, if we wanted to see a reversal from this downtrend of numerous of red candles since we switched it from high Kanashi, is essentially we need to see green candles, but most importantly, no wicks to these candles at the very bottom here. That does represent a surge of the buyers and a possible reversal. So we have two candlesticks so far in the previous day and the day before. But again, there is wicks at the very bottom here, which does conclude that the price for Cardano is going to continue to come down and retrace down to an area of support. All what we can see and gather from the data that we have on the chart is an area of supply and demand where the price is ultimately going to lead to or want to lead to as well if we do break areas of support. So here we see is the node and higher nodes here from 3105 to 3173. Again, if the price does stay within this level, either break above it, it is going to touch on this node here at 3247 as an area of resistance. If we take a look at areas of supply, for our support is initially at the very bottom of this node here at the 3105. If that area of support is broken, then the price is going to lead to another area of supply that generated a lot of trades. And that's where these nodes here that sticks out a little bit more dominant than the others. So we've got three nodes essentially right here, which is going to be another area of support. Now, so far today, we have almost seen that price point come down to this area of support. So hence, this will be treated as an area of support going into the future as well. If we quickly examine the candlestick that we have so far for today, we can see that the rate or the candlestick wick at the very bottom is basically 3 or 4 times the size of the body here. So we are going to anticipate some heavy selling pressure in today already. In hopes of a reversal here, we would need to essentially have multiple green candles and high Kanashi candles and shaven bottoms to alert us that there is going to be that possible reversal. Now, heading over to a immediate short term for 2 hours, there's a few things that I wanted to show you. So essentially right now, what we are looking into is going into this parallel channel, and we can see the channel coming down. Multiple areas will be creating a lot of low high wicks at the very bottom and a lot of higher low wicks or higher highs wicks at the very top here. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out to you guys is our overbought signal. Here is our overbought signal with the stock RSI. We can see the K line, which is the white line, is at 86%. Here was another area here at 84%, and then we saw immediate short-term rejection after that, and then seeing the price and the RSI drop down and retrace downwards. So as we can see that our K line and our D line are hugging each other ever so gently here and may trigger that sell opportunity as we are considered as overbought. Now, if I quickly turn on or show us our Bollinger Bands, we can see the Bollinger Bands are narrowing. We can see the upper band and the lower band narrowing in size, meaning price again is going to consolidate until we're able to see that breakout occur. Now, one of the things too I wanted to show you guys here is an area of support, just because again we are on high alert that we are considered as overbought and may trigger that selling opportunity already. As we can see, there's a multiple moving averages closer to the 61% of our fib at 31. Sorry, I can't see that. 31277. Not only that, but we can see using our volume profile all of these nodes that are sticking out here, and this is going to be used as an area of support. And of course, importantly, at 61% of our fib, which is known as the golden number, for retracement levels to either hold on to support or continue upwards in a gorgeous uptrend. So we are most likely going to retest the 61% 31277 in the next couple of hours or so, and that is exactly where our progression of our channel is at this critical point. If we're able to hold our 50 moving average, which is this orange line here, then we're able to bounce very nicely and continue the channel to retrace up. But again, be very cautious as we are considered to be overbought here and may see price come back down. Already we can see how small the range of the candlestick is in comparison to the previous action courses that we have. So that is my update here for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment down below, but I'll see you guys next time.